We're now going to do a quick video to familiarize ourselves with Fluid. So to get to Fluid, open a browser. I'm using Chrome. Type in the IP address of your printer. And then after the IP address, add :4408. This logs you into Fluid. So this is Fluid's home screen. Over on the left, you have navigation buttons. You have the console, G-code preview, jobs, history, tune, that's where we can look at bed meshes or run a bed mesh. Configuration is where all your configuration files are, printer.config, and then some ones we added with a No-Carto install. And then system. So the first main part is this area right here. We have printer movement, we have home all, home XY, home Z, home X, home Y. Once it's homed, you can jog in these increments. Current position of the printer's not homed right now. Everything's zeros, it doesn't know where it's at. You can actually extrude material out of the print head. You can choose the length and the speed, and you can adjust your Z offset down here. Up here, you can actually set the temperatures for your extruder, your bed, your chamber. This is a small version of the console. As we scroll down on the screen, the other important part here is the macro area. So these are all macros that when you click, you can run. Use a few of them when doing the cartographer install. I have the R3-man bed, so I use bed PID when I install that. Tools, so we've installed screws tilt calculate with the No-Carto install, and then you have Z tilt adjust, which levels the bed side to side. This is the full console. You can see what's going on with the printer. You can also send commands to the printer on the command line. The tune, this is where you can do a bed mesh. It'll tell you all the saved bed meshes up in here once we have them. You can home the printer, calibrate, we'll run a bed mesh, and we'll go through that later. Configuration, so printer.config. All your bed meshes and anything that gets changed, like PIDs, all get saved down here. You don't want to manually change this. This will get changed when you do a save config. Under custom here, we've added CFG files. The main one we'll look at is overrides. So probe count 19 by 19, that's what I use when I'm doing the No-Cartographer. It takes a little while to do a bed mesh at 19 by 19, but with the way they're saved and reused, the additional accuracy, I believe, helps for a good first layer. Individual Z offsets for different materials are saved here. Variable bed mesh soak 5 minutes. So if it's going to run a new bed mesh, it'll heat soak the printer for 5 minutes before it starts the mesh. Variable Carto touch calibrate start is used in the cartographer setup, and then this is remarked out during the No-Cartographer setup. So that's about all there is to Fluid, and as we're going through and setting up, we'll get into Fluid more and you'll see exactly what it can do.